Hello. Today I'd like to go over this early release, and it's the Share What You Love suite. It will be available May 1st through May 31st. And in here will be exclusive bundles for every crafter. Let me give you a quick peek. The Just Getting Started bundle is perfect for anyone new to stamping. It includes the Love What You Do stamp set. You've got the 2 ink pads. You've got the Grapefruit Grove, which is a new color, and the classic Old Olive. You get a pack of Very Vanilla cardstock and the large clear block, which is the big E block. It will hold every stamp in this set. And you will also get a pack of note cards and envelopes. And it's a great set to get anybody started in stamping. And you can make stuff right away. You don't need any other supplies except for some tape and maybe some scissors. And that bundle is $57. Then they have the Little More Please bundle. And this is designed for like the casual crafter. You get the cardstock pack in addition to that regular stamp set. You get another stamp set with alphabet and letters. You get the pearlized doilies. You get ribbon. You get the little embellishment pearls, free envelopes, and a free kit, little embellishment kit. And that is $91.50 for this. Then you would have I Gotta Have It All bundle. This bundle is for avid, passionate stampers. It includes the stunning paper. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the free stamp set or stamp with this is a single stamp. It has the Statement of My Heart, the Stampin' Up's Statement of the Heart stamp. And what else? It's a wonderful bundle that you can create a bunch of coordinated projects with Stampin' Up's outstanding quality products. I don't know what else to say about that. It's a beautiful bundle. And then you can also get all the new in colors. And this is Blueberry Bushel, Call Me Clover, Grapefruit Grove, Lovely Lipstick, and Pineapple Punch. And if you buy it as the bundle, you would get 10% off. And that is $33.75. Did I say how much that bundle was? The Gotta Have It All bundle is $127.50. Now let me see if I can show you what is in each bundle. All right. So the small bundle for basics, just beginning, you would get the stamp set. Love What You Do. It's got flowers. It's got sentiments. And then you would get the pack of vanilla cardstock. There are 40 sheets in here, so cut in half. That's 80 cards right there. Then you would get the huge E-block, which would hold every single stamp in here, so it's not too small, not too big. It's perfect. Then you would get Grapefruit Grove. These are the newly designed stamp pads, and they stack on top of one another. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And they're really easy to open. You just keep going to push like we normally do with our stamps. Just pull it open like a compact and push it in. And another good thing about it is we have the color strip here. Because sometimes when you have a bunch of pads out, that might look orangey and it's actually yellow. You know, and we never had that little strip before. And I think it's a brilliant idea for when you have a bunch out. Then to close it, you just snap it shut. It's beautiful. And, you know, of course, these are old ones. You would get a new Old Olive color in the new style ink pads. Right. So that is the basics bundle for the Just Getting Started. For the Little More Please bundle, let me just double check, make sure I'm putting the right stuff out. Of course, you would get the stamp set, and then you would get the alphabet. So it has uppercase alphabet, it has some double letters, it has the lowercase alphabet and symbols, and at sign, your ST for your numbers, your ND, your RD, your the, you know, the fourth. Smaller case, alphabetized letters, numbers, and down here it's handcrafted just for you, all different little things. From the desk of, this belongs to, it has the Angel Policy stamp for Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. If you're selling your products, you stamp this on the back. It's copyrighted Stampin' Up! And then you've got a bunch of different little things down here you can put on your products that you make. All right, so you get those two. You get the very vanilla cardstock. You get a pack of the 4 colors in this set. So you've got the mint macaron, the grapefruit grove, old olive, and rich raspberry. And there's more than that in the paper stack. I just brought some over. Then what else? You get the doilies. The doilies are pretty. And remember, this is Stampin' Up's 30th anniversary. So pearl is for 30th anniversary. So a lot of the products have pearl in them, or, you know, the theme pearl. And these are pearlized. The doilies, I think they're just so pretty. And then what else? You get the ribbon. It's velvet. Very, very soft ribbon. It's velvet in the rich raspberry color. And then you would get the pearls, of course. Pearls, here we go again. And these are in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. Don't ask me what they are right this second, but could be able to tell you later. And then you would get a free pack of envelopes. You do get the stamp, this one stamp pad. That's it for this set. You don't get the old olive in this one. And then you get this beautiful box, and it's an embellishment kit with the Stampin' Up! Statement of the Heart on embedded in here. It's printed on there. And it's a beautiful little keepsake box that matches their paper and their sentiment. And you'll have twine in here. You've got little tiny decorative paper clips, and look at these pretty little roses. And then different things to stamp sentiments on your cards. There's different sizes in here. And I just love the box. Never mind the actual kit. I do love the kit too, but I like the box. So that would be your second bundle. Now the third bundle, I gotta have it all bundle. What do we have in addition to all of this stuff? You get all of this, plus you would get the Textured Impressions embossing folder. This is the dynamic thick one that you only use one plate on when you're running it through your Big Shot because it's so thick. And it embosses gorgeous. And then you get this exclusive to this bundle only Statement of My Heart stamp. If you don't know what they say, it says, to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this, we make a difference. I love their Statement of the Heart. So you would get that too. Now this will not be available in the catalog when the new catalog comes out in June. It's only exclusive to this bundle. Then their paper, a lot of their paper is pearlized too, and it's a double stack of 24 sheets. So you got like, I think it's 6 sheets of each, or 4 sheets of 6 different designs. So you have these leaves, and on this side you have the pearlized color. I'll put it to the side here. Then you have the dots, and again you have pearlized on these little tiny beautiful flowers. And then you have, these are names of flowers. They're technical, real names. And then you have, on this side, you have the flowers. And then you have this one, which is just little crumb cake and browns colors. And then you have this gorgeous pearlized flowers on this side. Then you have the stripes with Flip it over, more flowers on this side. And then you have these leaves, flip it over, and you have more pearlized designs on this. I think their paper is gorgeous, and you get 6 designs, 4 of each design in this paper stack. So that will be this Share What You Love Suite. And the bundles are available only through March 1st through the 31st. Now the last bundle I'd like to talk about, if I can move this stuff out of my way, of course, are the new in colors. These are our new stamp pads, and they stack perfectly on top of one another. They open like a compact. The labels are very vibrant and colorful. You've got your Grapefruit Grove, Lovely Lipstick, Call Me Clover, Blueberry Bushel, and Pineapple Punch. I've told you how to open it like a compact, and the colors are all on the inside as well. And I just love how they're thin and they stack. So look, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ink pads in this little tiny small space. I love it. And these are 10% off if you buy them as a bundle, only and through March 31st. And it is $33.75. Thank you for watching. If you need a demonstrator, or if you'd like to order any of these products after the 1st, I'd be happy to help you. If you have any questions, contact me, please. I appreciate you watching, and you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.